This is likely the first time we've seen North Korean leader Kim Jong-un wear a mask in public since the pandemic began, ordering all cities to lock down after admitting the first COVID-19 case in Pyongyang.
We think that there have probably been cases before, but they haven't admitted them. And the fact that they've admitted them now would indicate that there's really no hiding it.
The number of cases of the Omicron variant are unknown, but North Korea is one of only 2 countries in the world believed to have delivered 0 COVID vaccinations.
Even in other settings where there's very low immunization coverage, presumably there would be higher levels of prior exposure. And so this is really a unique situation that we have in North Korea right now.
COVAX, the global vaccine sharing hub, has moved to a needs-based vaccine allocation, saying it's currently not committed any for North Korea. Pyongyang last year is believed to have rejected vaccines from China, according to the UN. China now says it is ready to provide its full support. The level of testing is low. Up until March 31st, just 64,000 people had been tested out of a population of over 25 million since the pandemic began. And health infrastructure in the country is fragile at best. Even developed health systems around the world have struggled under Omicron outbreaks.
I would imagine that in North Korea, the high levels of malnutrition may be an additional risk factor for severe disease and death associated with COVID-19 right now.
It is a population under lockdown in a country not set up for delivery of food and survival items. Extended isolation could have a serious impact on future food supply, already at a crisis in the country.
Could affect agriculture and harvest. It could affect, obviously, interior commerce within the country, the ability of the public distribution system, which is already, not working very well, to function.
As many experts wondered whether an Omicron outbreak would halt its recent run on missile and weapons tests, Pyongyang answered Thursday evening with another launch. Paula Hancock's CNN Seoul.